Hello. Good morning, physical science. We are, hopefully you've finished the velocity practice problems. So I'm going to go over them with you. Um, we've already done the first one and the second one, I believe. No, just the first one. Okay, so in case you missed that, the problem is an ostrich can run at speeds of up to 72 kilometers per hour. How long will it take an ostrich to run 1.5 kilometers at this top speed? So you've got your velocity is 72 kilometers per hour. If I can pull this down just a little bit. There you go. Okay, the 72 kilometers per hour is your velocity. The time is what you're looking for. Okay, and then the distance is 1.5 kilometers. Okay, so what you're doing here is you're trying to find time, and we talked about the triangle. So if you look at the back of here, you've got your triangle where V equals D over T. So the way you build your triangle is D is the top of the fraction, so it goes up here, and V and T go down here. So it tells you what you're looking for, how to do your equation. So you have, if you're looking for velocity, it's distance over time, which is what we have. If you're looking for distance, it's velocity times time. And you're looking for time, it's distance over velocity. Okay, so let's go back over here. So that's what we're finding right here. We're doing time is distance over velocity. So your time is distance 1.5 kilometers, 72 kilometers per hour. So your time is going to be 0.021 hours. Okay, let's go to the second one. And a couple of these are kind of confusing because you have to change units. So you have to really pay attention to that. So we've got a couple on here, and this is one of them. So this is number 2. A cheetah is known to be the fastest mammal on Earth, at least for short runs. Cheetahs have been observed running a distance of 0.55 meters with an average speed of 100 kilometers per hour. So be careful because this says meters and that's kilometers. So you know if they're different, you're going to have to make a conversion. And the question is, how long will it take a cheetah to cover this distance at this speed? So the how long tells you that you're looking for time. Okay, so on the distance up here, we're going to put it in. The 0.55 meters is equal to 0.00055 kilometers. And the velocity is 100 kilometers per hour, and you're looking for time. Okay, so we're doing time is distance over velocity. So you've got time is your distance in kilometers over 100. 100 kilometers per hour is your velocity. Then time is going to be equal to 0.0000055 hours, or 5.5 times 10 to the negative 6. Okay, if you didn't convert, you didn't catch it, then the answer for that one is 0.0055 hours. Okay, so if you treated the 0.55 meters as 0.55 kilometers, that's what you would have gotten. Okay, so you got to be really careful with those. Okay, so number 3, the peregrine falcon is the fastest of flying birds. A falcon can fly 730 meters downward in 25 seconds. What is the average velocity of a peregrine falcon in meters per second? Okay, it says average, but for right now, we're not talking about doing any kind of average. So that just means you're just using velocity. So don't let that confuse you. So your distance is 17 30 meters. Time is 25 seconds, and you're looking for velocity. Okay, so you're going to use that equation. Velocity is 1730 over 25, and you're getting 69.2 meters per second. Okay, now I messed up on 4, so we're going to put it on the back, because even I did the wrong formula, so I got to go back here and do it. So number 4, you have your velocity is 25 meters per second. Your time is 1800 seconds. Okay, that's why I gave you seconds, because you're working, it gave you hours, but you've got to convert it to seconds. So this is what you're going to be using in here. The distance is what you're looking for. So distance is velocity times time. So we're doing distance equals 25 times 1800. And you should get 45,000 meters or 45 kilometers. So you could have gotten either one of those. Okay? So let's go back to 5. Okay, can you see that? There you go. Okay, number 5. In the Netherlands, there's an annual ice skating race called the Tour of the 11 Towns. The total distance of the course is 200 kilometers. The fastest average speed was 35.3 kilometers per hour. Calculate the record time. Okay, so you're just going to take what it gives you and plug it in. Distance is 200 kilometers. Velocity is 35.3 kilometers per hour, and you're looking for time. Okay, so you're going to use this equation. Time is 200 kilometers over 35.3 kilometers per hour, and your time is 5.67 hours. Okay. Now, number 6 is also on the back. So number 6, your time is 738 seconds. Velocity is 0.60 meters per second, and you're looking for distance. So we're doing distance is velocity times time. So you have 0.6 times 738, and that is 442.8 meters. Okay? So if you didn't quite get it, you can always pause and play, and let me know if you still have questions, and we can talk about it. Okay, I'm looking forward to seeing how you did on the acceleration problems, and I'll have that video up probably this afternoon. Okay, bye-bye. Oops.